video, I'll show you how to set up your cut, copy, and paste feature on your brand new Mac, MacBook, MacBook Pro. Most new systems do not come with this feature enabled, so you have to enable it yourself. To do this, go up to the Apple icon, click System Preferences. Next, you'll double-click on the mouse icon, and here there's secondary click. Click that, and then you can either select right-click or left-click. I'll select the right-click. And also, I like to click the Smart Zoom icon. And as you'll see, everything works perfectly. The cut, copy, and paste features are on. Hope this tip has been helpful. Thanks for watching.